guys, praise Jesus and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are well. If you are new here, I am Beckybecks and I do awesome, timely and fun content on this platform that you're going to enjoy. And today it's obviously a hair video. Even as you have seen from the title, I am going to be trying my rolls to see how they work on my hair. This is my first time ever trying this. I have never done this before and I hope this works. If this does not work, it's going to be a fail. And it's going to be a fail, like, yeah, like there's nothing I can do if this fails. I've never done this before, but I have definitely watched videos about this. So yeah, we are going to get started. My hair is a bit damp and just washed. Nothing done to it, washed hair. This is what we are going to be using. I am going to be using this TCB Naturals leave-in conditioner that I really taste. These are my rolls. I got them from Best. Okay, so my first step is obviously dividing my hair. I want to do this first. I do not want this video to be super long because it's just, you know, trial and error. So yeah, divide your hair, or rather my hair, and in case you're watching this and you want to try this, you can't. So I will begin with this portion. I have 20 rolls. That means that each section gets 5. Okay, so just a generous amount of the leave-in conditioner on your hair, all around your hair, like so. And then I'm going to section this hair into portions, that are going to sum up to 5 portions because I have 5 rolls for this section. So I'm going to divide that there and then pin the remainder of the hair like so. And on this first one I'm going to do 2. So 1 here. This is the hair and this is the rod. A tip for all of us, make sure that it's not tight. I think that is one thing I want to ensure without fail, that it's not tight because I cannot handle tight hair. So guys, this is the finished look. I have installed all my rods all the way to the back. I hope you guys can see this, and I am just going to have them like right now it's about around 10 a.m. I'm going to have them for the whole day a night, and then I am going to take them off tomorrow and we'll be able to see the results. I hope this works, fingers crossed. So guys, this is the next day and I slept with my rolls. And just a tip, if you guys want to do this to your hair, kindly make sure that they are not as tight, that they are very flexy, so that you can be able to sleep. I will not lie, I had to pull on a few of them at the top here where it meets my hair on the scalp, so that I could be able to sleep more comfortably and just not have a migraine. Because when you're putting them on, you don't feel how tight they are until it's time for you to sleep on them, and then you really feel the tension. So make sure that they are a bit loose at the end, but just make sure that you're not pulling a lot. But yeah, I'm nervous. I'm a bit nervous because I don't know how this is going to go. But yeah, let's just do this, because I've never done this before. If this goes south, it goes south, and I'll post this video however this goes. So yeah, I think we can start. Guys, if this works, it will have saved me a lot of work. How am I supposed to get them off? Like twist it out or just pull the rod? Hey guys, this one is gonna be a tough one. But yeah, let us see what the first one has to offer. Guys, I'm nervous. Do people get nervous when you try out new things? Okay. Oh. So guys, I am done with undoing all the rods from my front to the back, and I think one thing that I have realized is that I need to get like 2 more packs of the rods, because I have noticed that the smaller ones that I did have turned out better than the chunkier ones, but that is just one observation. And I just love how tight they are. Like the curls are really tight, you would be surprised at how tight they are. And yeah, I really like this, but I know I could have done better if I had more rods. So it's definitely something to change up the next time I want to try and use them. And I just want to get to the styling. 2 ways I would style a hairstyle with rods is I would first off loosen the curls just a bit, just like divide them into 2-3 sections. Just divide them up gently so that the curls don't disappear, just like that. And then on this other side I would loosen just a few, just a rough job, not too in there, so that the curls can still be popping, because that's why we did the curls, because we need it to pop. So yeah, try smaller sections, have more rods, and let the hair fully dry, because I have noticed some frizz on some of the larger portions that I had. So yeah, let your hair dry totally, and then now remove them. Then you will have like better better results. So I think that is well divided, and I'll just do, my head looks better on a side part that is on this side, so I'll just try my best to do a very organized side part here. without disrupting too many of the curls. Just like that. I hope you guys can see this. Like that. That is the side part that I am going for, and I'll just try my best to like make this look I'll just lift the root area of the curls with my comb, and just at the back to cause some bit of body, just a little bit, not a lot, so that your curls can still remain. I think I could use a pin, but no, let me not pin it down. Let me just do that. Divide a bit the middle area. Like so. Just divide them up, and probably so yeah, I think that is one way I could wear my hair that I have used rods on, just like that, like simple clean look, just a bit more pinned down, but that is definitely one way I could wear the hair. Just a side part over there and the hair on the sides. I think that looks really nice with the rods. Like that. And the second way I could wear this hair is just having it all up like so, and then using my comb to like lift a bit on the root area all around my head, just not all the way up so that the curls can remain, then doing my normal updo with a string, just like so. I think I need to do it a bit more tightly. Just a bit more tightly. Yeah, so that's another hairstyle I could do with my hair that I had installed rods on. So yeah guys, that is the end of this rod try on video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In case you have done these hair rods before, tell me down below if you guys think it was a hit or a miss, and yeah, why you think that. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.